Welcome to Python Programming for Beginners. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ajay and I have been programming with Python for the last 4 years. So I will be your instructor in this Udemy course. So before we start learning Python, there is something that you need to know. You must know why you should learn Python. The first reason is that Python is simple. Python is one of the most easiest programming languages to learn. So Python is a very good place to start if you're interested in learning to code. Now another good reason is that most of the popular websites are made using Python. Some websites made using Python are YouTube, Google, Quora, Pinterest, Instagram, and many more. All these websites are using Python. So with that, you know how powerful Python is. So that is a very good reason to learn Python. If you're into web development and want to make fun websites, Python is a very good place to start. If you want to learn Python web development or game development or software development, you need to know basics. Without knowing the basics, you cannot learn advanced concept. So that is what this course does. This course will teach you all the basics of Python in just 3 hours. It will not waste your time. It will be straightforward and you will learn to write simple programs in just 3 hours. So with this knowledge, it will be very easy for you to learn Python web development, Python game development, or even software development. So I'll not waste further time and let's start coding.